All right, we are now ready for doors and windows. Let's do the windows first, and you can download a block of windows from a website instead of doing it from scratch. And I found a website that can allow us to download the window without registering. And remember that these windows, when you download them, sometimes they are in metric or in millimeters, so you have to scale them. And here's the scale factor. Also, take note that if window is for a bedroom, the bottom of the window opening, which is called the sill, window sill, cannot be higher than 44 inches. Okay, so we're going to put a window in the front of our elevation over here. There's no other windows in the elevation. There are windows on the sides, okay, but nothing else. So we're going to just put one window here, and to do that, we're going to pick a window, and you can pick any window that you want. You just have to understand these are curtains, these are arches, some are doors over here. Okay, let's say I wanted to put this kind of window, so I'm gonna select this and Control C, and then go back to my floor plan and Control V. Okay, and when I put it there, it's going to be either small or big. Okay, so for this windows, we're going to actually scale them freehand or freestyle. So we're going to just do a scale, select that window, and this window is small, so I'm going to just scroll out and make them a little bigger. Okay, and then I'm going to move them into place. So I'm going to use the snap nearest, and so I can pick where. Okay. So this window is a little lower because it's not a bedroom window, and I want it to match this opening here. So I'm going to do a scale, select the window, select a point here, and then use the option reference, so R, and pick again this point and then this point. Okay, that's the total width of the window, and now I can shrink it exactly where I want it to be, like that. Okay, so the window here is going to be a little low. Okay, and if I measure that, go here and measure the distance from this point to this point, that's about 1'6". So that's less than 2 feet. All right, and which is okay because it's not a bedroom window. Okay, and if you wanted to make sure that this one goes up higher, just drag it and make it go up higher. Okay, and you won't need this anymore. Okay, and then you wanted to explode this because remember the white is going to be thick when you do a preview later. So we're going to do an explode, X for explode, and then we're simply going to match it with our elevation. There you go. Okay, now let's take now also that this is the garage opening, and we can just do a molding up here. Okay, so we're just going to do a, let's say, 8-inch molding from here to here, and then we're going to just make it stick out 4 inches from the side, like that, and also here, and then we're just going to do a fillet, F for fillet. Fillet this one, fillet that one, and then fillet this one and this one, fillet this one and that one, just to give it a little bit of character. Okay, so that's going to be our window, and then our garage door. We need to put a garage door design here, but we'll do it later, okay, on the next video.